Okay, now go like this and walk.
Wow!
Hey, you did it.
My dad said stop there. Go over there.
You want to go where?
Just one. Who's behind you?
Why that one there?
Ways
Stop.
back.
Oh, it looks like he's just showing the people the town.
Good. Once you're past that hill,
It's park. You see the UFO?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Alright, you ready to move on?
Free this. That fellow's up in Mount Troy. He'll be open, I think, until next weekend. He's a much smaller railroad, but it's a beneficial type thing for the church.
That looks like Neville.
Look, there's people in that train.
So many. That's like expensive.
Yeah?
They
Oh no! There's a guy peeing behind.
What messed up? Vito, who'd you say was there?
Thomas!
Get out!
Thomas!
What is he doing there?
Waiting!
He has Clarabelle and Annie.
And then see the other thing when it moves back they connect.
Oh!
Yeah, see like that.
You see one?
Yeah, you got those two to connect. Good job. All right, but don't.
Okay, careful. They're delicate.
Yeah, they're
That
very
guy's
good.
taking the collar.
Yeah. Press the button. Look up. You see it moving?
Mama, whoa!
Yeah, you see it?
Check on it.
Check it list. But if you throw under, you can look from that side too. There you go.
Too fast.
Wow, look at all those bridges.
Look, this one.
Wow. That looks like a city bridge, huh?
So I wanted to, will this fit on that? Big boy fit on that thing?
I don't know, that's
Oh, we
120
stopped.
foot. That's track one.
How's over here?
Sure is a nice sign.
Nobody's parking there yet.
That is nice.
What I appreciate is your insistence in getting the separate powers.
Yeah. I just like that you can call out the tracking visual and try it.
Well, the only thing I don't like about it
Yeah, I'll be there.
Hey, Carney, is it warm enough? You want a scarf or something?
I'll live.
Got out! They're coming up. They're hooked up. Pull them back under it. Look! Look!
You cold yet?
What?
You cold yet?
No,
I'm cold.
I'm not.